Okay, the game is finished. I thought I'd have a lot of work to do, much more fiddling to do, but everything was already set up, everything was already working, so I just did a few little tiny things um, to just visual stuff. All the code was already ready and going, just how we had it set up. So let's see, subtract integers. Now one of the things I switched was once I click on that, math options goes away so that can't, they could just click on math options again, have already turned on the switch for addition, but then go ahead and turn on the switch for multiplication. That would confuse the code because we didn't have anything turning off those switches. So I just get rid of that. I just had it disappear, display none, after you click on yes or no. And then you can see that input box didn't show up yet, so it's not weird and jumping all around. We can't enter an answer until we have something to do. So once we hit draw, then it shows up if there's arithmetic. Because we have a number instead of text, that's why these show up here. You can go like this. So I didn't know how the negative would work, but it's already built in as a number that you can use negative. I didn't know if that would count it as text and then not work. So it's built in with the number, so that's good. So we're in good shape. So what did I do? Subtraction. So negative 13 minus 1, so negative 14. Check. I just copied and pasted the code that gave us the red border, and player one wins. Just copy that into our new check, the math check function. That's the old compare check function. That's all I had to do, just this couple little things just for the visual, and the code was already working. The one other thing I did was when you hit draw, that goes blank. Excuse me, that goes blank before we had to erase our answer. That's this little code right here. Take input, find input, and give its value just blank. We put its value there. So that's on draw. You could put that somewhere else. On submit, we could do that. But I think it's good that I can see what answer they put in there. So when we click on draw, it's going to get rid of that. When we click on draw, it checks if arithmetic's 1, and that's where it displays the input box and the checking box. So if we have like that on switch for arithmetic, so that's where that stuff is happening. And the other thing I did once I was looking at the subtraction and multiplication, where is that? Since every, let's see, go down a little bit here. So add math is now just added together, find the answer. So subtract math is just subtract to find the answer. Multiply math is just multiply to find the answer. And then that's on submit. So on submit, it does the right kind of math to find the answer. And I didn't need this in each add math, subtract math. It was the same code in each one. So we don't want to keep using the same code over and over again. I just move that here. So once it finds its answer, it checks it, and then sends it to the winner space to declaring the winner. So here we're declaring the winner, and I just copy and pasted this code here, just from the other regular check from the very beginning. So that's it. Our code is done. Excuse me. So I do not know what we will go to next. I guess the next lesson we'll just get this online and then go from there.